Good morning, folks. How are we all doing? What a beautiful morning. Coming to the end of April. And he's back. Elvis is back. Been away for a couple of weeks, basically. I'd originally planned to ride him to Land's End on my Land's End Challenge ride. But if you've been watching the channel, you'll know the Regulator rectifier decided to fry itself on the Thursday before I was supposed to go on the Sunday. So I took the KTM instead. I've literally just come from the shop now, picking up Elvis. It's great to have him back. So a massive thank you to M&P's in Cardiff. They got the bike in, got the parts in, got it all fixed, and they're really busy, so they've done well to get it done so quick. All done under warranty, of course, so it didn't cost me nothing. But he's back. Elvis is back. It's my last day off before I go back to work. I'm actually at Penarth Marina right now. It's a beautiful day off, got the bike. Let's go for a ride. There we go. Yeehaw! I've literally just this second fueled up. So, let's go have a ride. Catch you in a bit. Toodles! Right folks, we're back. We're back on Elvis. Heading out through Marshfield. I do like riding Elvis. It's a very relaxed ride. You don't feel like you're in any rush or any pressure. It's just an enjoyable ride. Don't get me wrong, he ain't slow. He's far from fast, but he ain't slow. We got speed limits of 50, 60 miles an hour everywhere. Or the more fun roads. It's ideal. These little back roads, these twisties, absolutely fantastic. No fuss, no drama, just an enjoyable, fun ride. Take a little bit of getting used to because I've been riding the KTM for the past, God knows how long, like a month or so. Well, maybe not a month, a couple of weeks. Now, the past couple of weeks I've only had the KTM on the road because obviously Brian is still off the road awaiting a couple of parts to finish off for the MOT, which is due in May. 16th of May I think I've got him booked in for, because that's the earliest I could get him in. So yeah, he'll be back on the road soon. So I'll be riding the KTM, which is completely different to Elvis. So getting back used to back in the swing of riding Elvis again, and really enjoying it, to be honest. As always, I will apologise for the slightly poor audio. I did order, and it has arrived, an audio adapter for my DJI camera. They're like 45 quid off Amazon. It's actually for the Osmo 4, but apparently it does work on the Osmo 3. There's a guy on YouTube called Wayne REC. Seems to be a bit of an expert. He used the same adapter on his Osmo 3 with a lavalier mic. And he said, it's like, what side of the road do you want, you idiot? Sorry, that idiot just swerved it to my side. Yeah, he used the adapter in the Osmo 3 along with a lavalier mic, and apparently that's the way to go when you're, as they call it, vlogging. Or as he put it, when you got quite a lot of background noise with engines, etc. with bikes. Better. Pop the visor open. Yeah, that seems to work on his recommendation, which is what I'm trying, or will be trying. As I said, the audio adapter arrived yesterday, which was brilliant. My lavalier mic, or mics, because I had to order a couple, are on order. They haven't arrived yet. I did try the mics I've got at home, but they are TRRS mics. In other words, they got the two rubber rings on the 3.5mm jack, not one. And they won't work with the adapter. It needs a TRS, which is a single rubber ring, 3.5 pin. concentrating. Yeah, so I did try my boom mic, which used to be absolutely brilliant, but I discovered it's very poor fit into the new adapter. I think it's just worn, so very poor connection. Had I used it, the connection would be bouncing around like crazy and it'd be clicking and crackling and all sorts, so obviously I can't use that at the moment. I'm still using the old setup of the mic direct to the camera, which is not brilliant. But please do bear with me. As always, trying to get your audio right is a nightmare. Plus, of course, the fact I have to wait for the parts to arrive, rig them up in the one helmet, get the audio right in the one helmet, like this one I'm wearing at the moment, my LS2 full face helmet. Then I got to rig up another setup in my adventure helmet, also an LS2, but it's an adventure helmet. So I got to rig up the setup in that separately and work the audio on that one. And then of course I've got my motocross lid, which also needs to be set up too. Yeah, I need 3 microphones, 3 different setups probably. But we're getting there. We will get there. Please do bear with me. In the meantime, please do enjoy the lovely view of some nice roads. My Interceptor 650, better known as Elvis, cruising along on a beautiful April morning. Right, if you just give me a quick video saying Elvis is back, he's been repaired, he's all up and running again, happy days. As I say, Brian is going to be sorted for MT soon. I've got a trip planned on the KTM this weekend coming up. Adventure Bike Day. I had to think then. Yeah, I got my Adventure Bike Day ride out this weekend. Then once that's done, give the KTM a thorough clean down because it's an off-road day. And the front wheel's coming off. That's going down the shop to have a new valve, new rubber seal and rubber ring put inside to hopefully cure the slow leak that's occurring on the front wheel. Right, I'm Oski. I've babbled enough, as always. I keep babbling. Hope you enjoyed this little short video, or fairly short. Plenty more on the channel for you to watch. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. It's absolutely free, not a lot in life is. Click subscribe, then click all on the little bell icon, and that'll notify you every time I put up a video. Used to be once a week, but nowadays I do it as and when I get round to it, sort of thing. When I think there's something worth filming. And of course, please do like the video if you liked it. That's a thumb up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. You're entitled to your opinion. Everybody is. And if you wish to share my video, please do. All this interaction of likes, subscribes and shares really does help build my channel. So just leave a comment in the comment section below if you wish to. I try to respond to all comments. Yeah, all this helps build my channel. When I checked this morning, I was on 871 subscribers. I want to reach 1,000. I'll say by the middle of the year. Would be brilliant if I could. Only to say I've done it. I have no interest in monetizing my channel or anything like that, which I know you can do once you hit 1,000 subs, you get the correct amount of views and all that rubbish. Not interested. I just want to say I hit 1,000 subs. That would be fantastic. Thank you, folks. Right, I'm Oski. Again, been babbling, sorry. Catch you all in the next one. In the meantime, whatever you're doing, please be safe, ride safe and have fun. And of course, the statutory doodles. I hate traffic. I think I'd best go get a breakfast. Oh, there's a Greg's not far from here. Shock horror.